How to enable stars on Facebook Reels. Hello guys and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can enable stars on Facebook Reels. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your Facebook. Make sure that you're logged into your account. After you do that, you can then head over to your profile. So tap on the bottom right corner on the menu option and then tap on your name. After you do that, you can then head over to your video section to find every reels that you've ever shared or you uploaded. So after you do that, you can then tap on create reel to create a new reel. So tap on create reel, and after you do that, tap on your reel, whichever you want to post. Simply tap on the video and then tap on next. After you tap on next, here you will be able to add a hashtag. You can tag people, simply describe your reel. After that, you can then scroll down. There you will see an option called see more settings. So tap on see more settings and then scroll down. There you will see the stars option. So make sure that you've enabled this by turning this toggle button on. So after you do that, every star you receive, Facebook will pay you a certain amount if you meet the program eligibility criteria. So after you've done that, you can then tap on share now to share this reel. And that's how you can enable stars on Facebook Reels and then share it. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.